Hello, this is Rita again from BushingFix. Just want to welcome you into our demonstration today, so thank you for joining us. I'm going to show you a very common concern, broken shift cables. Never replace the cable again. Remember what we say here at BushingFix, replace the bushing, not the cable. Come a little closer. I'm going to show you how simple it is to use our replacement bushing repair kits.
Start by taking the bushing and pushing it into the installation tool like this. And after you remove all of the old bushing, if there's any left, from the transmission cable, it should look like this. Then take the bushing and tool and press it upwards through the transmission cable end, and making sure it's flush at the bottom. You can then remove the compression tool. And take a look and make sure it's popped into place. And then just press it onto the transmission lever. After you're done, shift it back and forth between park and 1 to be sure everything's in place, and that's all there is to it.
So, as you can see, using BushingFix.com's replacement bushings really is easy. As well, I want to make sure that you're aware of two things during the expo to get full advantage of all of our offerings. With purchase during the expo, you will receive a BushingFix tote with pocket screwdriver. As well, during the expo, and this is a tremendous value to you, it's a $5.90 value retail. Our wholesale price is typically $3.90, and that is on our assorted shop set. 23 of our most frequently used and requested bushings on sale during ATRA for $290. Thank you for joining us here at BushingFix. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great expo.